Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bing Webmaster Tools for affiliate traffic expansion. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin installing Bing Webmaster Tools, navigate to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, click on the option to add a new site. Enter the URL of the website you want to manage. After entering your URL, choose the verification method. You can verify ownership through various methods like XML file, meta tag, or DNS record. If you choose the XML file method, download the file provided by Bing. Upload this file to the root directory of your website. Once uploaded, return to Bing Webmaster Tools and click the Verify button. For the meta tag method, copy the provided meta tag. Then, paste it into the head section of your website's HTML. After doing so, go back to Bing and click Verify. If using the DNS method, add the provided TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Once added, return to Bing and click on Verify. Upon successful verification, your site will be added to your account. Now that your site is verified, you can explore various tools available. Navigate to the dashboard to access site health reports and scan data. Make sure to set your preferred settings for crawl control and indexing. Utilize the keyword research tool to enhance your affiliate strategies. Monitor your website's performance using the traffic analytics feature. This will help you understand which affiliate links are performing well. Regularly check for any crawl errors that may affect your site's visibility. Engaging with Bing Webmaster Tools can lead to increased affiliate traffic. Utilize the insights provided to optimize your site's performance. Feel free to explore additional features like sitemaps and URL submissions. This will enhance your chances of ranking higher in Bing search results. Incorporate these steps into your regular website maintenance routine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.